Tweezerman Replacement Callus Shaver Blades, 20 count. 20 Callus Shaver Replacement Blades per box, so you always have extra blades on hand. These high-quality, double-sided replacement blades fit most brands of Callus Shaver. Made of laminated steel to prevent rusting. Universal double-sided Callus Shaver Blades. Fits standard Callus shavers. Pack contains 20 blades. Made in Germany. How to change Callus shaver blades. Lay shaver on a hard, flat surface. While securely holding sides of blade holder, push handle forward. Lift handle. Without touching razor, turn blade holder over so that blade drops from holder. Insert new Callus foot shaver blade. While holding sides of blade holder, reposition handle and pull towards you. Top reviews from the United States. A lifesaver for thick calluses. I love super hot, super high heel shoes. The heel has to be at least 4 inches or I won't even look at them. While super high heel shoes look really sexy on, they can definitely leave your feet a bit battered. Totally worth it to me though. I live in Massachusetts and they don't allow salons to use Callus shavers.